Hi, this is Ron Erickson at the Yankee Hill Winery Cooking School. I've gotten some requests on how to make a sour for sourdough bread. Now, a lot of people want San Francisco sour. Unfortunately, that bacteria is not in the air here in Colombia, so that we will not be able to produce that particular bread, but we will be able to add a sour to it, and you can just call it Colombia sour. Now we're going to start with cold water, and this is just a little bit over 1 cup, and I'm going to be adding 1 cup of flour to it. Now we can stir this together and it would be fine, or we can, because there's natural yeast in here, so it will start to ferment. I am going to add just a teeny bit of yeast just to help it get started. And I'm using an instant yeast. And so then we just mix this up. And you want to get all of the dry ingredients mixed in, because if it just sits there, that'll be it. And so we get this going like this, and then after about a day we will have this. You can see where it's starting to foam in the yeast, and it's starting to develop. And if you smell it, it will have a fresh, yeasty smell to it. And then on the second day, you could add about a 1/4 cup of flour to this and stir it in. And do that every day for about 5-6 days. And then we will wind up with this. And so you can see how this is creamier, you can see it. And so right now I would add my flour to it, my 1/4 cup of flour, and then just stir that in, and I will wind up with just a wonderful sour smell. Now, if you have this, you can store it in the refrigerator. If you're going to use it, you should use it within 2 days at the end of the 7th, so on the 9th day. If you put it in the refrigerator and add the little bit of flour every so often, that will work just fine. And so once this develops, I will do a video on how to make the sourdough bread, and we'll make some sourdough rounds, and that will be it. So here you can see just the steps, and it's very simple. Now, we're not making up 3 of these. This would be 1, this would be today, this would be tomorrow, and this would be on the 6th day. So, if you have any questions on this, just let me know, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. So, this is Ron at the Yankee Hill Winery Cooking School. Thanks for watching.